a journey into the shadows of the human psyche. Today, we've prepared something truly special for you, the art of mastering dark psychology. But fear not, as we're about to unravel the complexity and make it as simple as learning your ABCs. Unveiling the secrets. Dark psychology is like a secret toolkit, filled with tactics to influence and manipulate others. Picture it as the chessboard of life, and the more you understand these moves, the better you can defend against them. Information is your armor, and today, we're arming you. Spotting the red flags. Red flags are our first guideposts in this journey. We'll shed light on the subtle signs, the breadcrumbs left in the shadows. Being forewarned is being forearmed, a shield against the tactics of the dark arts. Mastering emotional intelligence. In this section, we flip the script. Your superpower against dark psychology is emotional intelligence. We'll guide you through simple exercises, each as easy as counting to 5, to heighten your emotional awareness. Picture this as your superhero training, making you less susceptible to manipulation. Building mental resilience. Resilience is the heartbeat of your defense. We'll lead you through practical strategies, like building mental fortresses, making you as resilient as a superhero facing adversity. By the end, you'll be a psychic fortress, impenetrable to the attempts of manipulation. Subscribe for more insights on this topic. Lightning round. Quick fire tips. Establishing boundaries. Time for the lightning round. Your greatest ally is boundaries. We'll teach you not just how to create them, but more importantly, how to enforce them. Developing critical thinking. Critical thinking is your hidden weapon. We'll present tasks to sharpen your analytical skills, helping you see through the smoke and mirrors of manipulation. Mastering dark psychology is a skill, much like any other. It's a journey that takes time and practice. Knowledge is your greatest asset. The more you have, the better you can protect not just yourself, but those around you. Alright, folks. That wraps up our expedition into the realm of mastering dark psychology. If this video enlightened you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, so you'll never miss a moment of inspiration. Stay curious, stay safe, and I'll catch you in the next one.